Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Bluetooth not connecting on POCO M7 Pro. So first things first, disable the Bluetooth and enable it again. And do the same with airplane mode. Enable, wait a couple of seconds, and disable. Now, forget your device, unpair it, and try to connect again. If it's still not working, then you need to restart your phone and the other Bluetooth device. And the last thing, in settings, go to About Phone and update your operating system. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.